Then oxygen atom has been what is an molecule नहीं है oxygen atom O2 लिख दिया हूँ लेकिन it is an actually atom है ना. So they have been dissociating into ions and then I said that it is an E2 layer and comparatively more ionization and there will be it is in a high ionization and this high ionization will yes tell me what they will liberate. क्या देंगे ये लोग? Tell me. Ions, very high amount of ions, yes or not? And इसके वजह से VHF, very high frequency wave will what is going to reflect back toward the Earth's surface. Understood? So which are the layer we have seen? D layer, E layer, E2 layer, and within the E layer sporadic E layer, sporadic E layer, and then E layer is also known as what? Tell me what is known as? Canily heaviside layer. Next one, what is the spelling of apple? Tell me. APPLE, क्या बात है. इसको बोलते हैं F1 and F2 layer. F1 and और ये 380 से बियॉन्ड भी चला जाता है, 1000 किलोमीटर तक भी जा सकता है. I said that और यहाँ पर क्या होगा? वेरी हाई आयोनाइजेशन, वेरी हाई आयोनाइजेशन एंड इसको UHF ultra high frequency waves they will what is going to reflect back. Is it clear? So can you say that what is the importance of this ionization or ionosphere? Help in communication. Help in what? Yes or not? It help in what? Telecommunication, television, radio and all, telephones and all. It is running on the basis of what? Understood? Shall I remove? और एप्पल का स्पेलिंग क्या है? एप्पल, और इसमें से हमने क्या किया? F1 और F2 को क्या बोलते हैं? एप्लेटॉन लेयर. What it is known as what? What it is known as also? Appleton layer. Which layer? Appleton layer. Appleton याद रख लो आपके मर्जी. Shall I remove this ionosphere? So there is an ionosphere. Thereafter I said that मतलब थोड़ा सा एक्सोस्फेयर, थर्मोस्फेयर सब इस पे ओवरलैप करता है, आयोनोस्फेयर. And above ionosphere there is an what? Magnetosphere. I said that which layer we are going to see? Beyond exosphere, beyond what is there? Beyond exosphere and जो आपको अच्छा लगे लिखते जाना. I said that beyond exosphere there is one I said magnetosphere, another I said that plasmasphere. Which one I said that? Magnetosphere and then in the magnetosphere you know that there is a magnetic field kind of existence is existing, and beyond magnetosphere there is a what? Plasmasphere. And I said that magnetosphere is known as also Van Allen belt. What I said that? Clear? Van Allen belt. Understood? Magnetosphere is known as what? Van Allen belt. और हमारी magnetic field, Earth has a magnetic lines of force. Yes or not? Earth has a magnetic lines of force, and this is within the Earth. आपको मैंने बताया होगा that in the when I was teaching you Earth's interior outer core, there is we have what? Outer, this side is south and this side is north. तो हमारी magnetic needle किधर दिखाएगी? यहाँ. और magnetic lines of force originate from north and finishing at terminating at. Clear? So the concentration of magnetic lines of force will be where? At the north and south pole. Magnetic north and magnetic south. And in this region there will be more ions will be present. Yes. And they will, the solar flares magnetic field will, solar flares magnetic field will strike more over there. And then through this there will be color in the, through the collision of ions, there will be coloration in the upper atmosphere, and then we can be able to see above it is a beautiful color aurora, beautiful color australis, above north pole at a height of 500 to 700 kilometer. बोरियालिस नहीं बोला मैंने क्या? Sorry. Aurora borealis at north pole, and aurora australis at south pole at a height of how much? 500 to 700 kilometer. Understood? Clear? ऑस्ट्रेलिया से ऑस्ट्रेलिया लिया नहीं गया, मतलब आप ऐसे याद कर सकते हैं, सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर हैज ऑस्ट्रेलिया, देयरफॉर साउथ पोल साइड ऑस्ट्रेलिस. क्लियर? ऑस्ट्रेलिया से लिया गया है. Another one I said that कभी कभी आप लोगों ने वो खाया होगा, नमकीन उंगली में घुसा लिया, खाया है ना? उस शेप को क्या कहते हैं? विच शेप? वो तो पूरा यहाँ तक घुस जाता है ऐसे ना, लेकिन एक गोला सा होता है जो आप लोग फेंकने के लिए खेलते नहीं थे, हाथ में ऐसे घुसा दो. सर्कुलर बोल लो, जो भी बोल लो, डव शेप कहते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? DOUGH. Similarly, from the 1900 to 32 kilometer, it is another magnetosphere, but it is known as a plasma sphere. What is there? So लिख लेंगे. It is in a second magnetosphere, but it is in also plasma sphere. कहाँ से? 19,000 kilometer to 32,000 kilometer. What is there? What is there? Plasma sphere. Understood? What is the meaning of plasma? Yeah. Plasma TV. So, fourth states of matter, that we have seen gas, we have seen solid, and we have seen liquid. But when it is not gas, not liquid, not gas, solid, then it is known as what? Plasma. That is in the form of ions, electrons. कोई लेयर जब आयंस और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, especially of hydrogen ions and electrons, the layer made up of what? Hydrogen ions and electrons. A layer made up of what? Hydrogen ions and electrons. That is known as a plasma sphere. Clear? Hydrogen ions and, yes, tell me, electrons. And इसके अंदर भी if ions are there and electrons are there, it means magnetic field will be there. And the magnetic field in the plasma is rotating with respect to the rotation of the earth. the way the earth is rotating, their magnetic field is also rotating. So write down, in plasma sphere, magnetic field, in plasma sphere, magnetic field is rotating along with rotation of earth. Clear? Next. Next point, beyond plasma pause, again a magnetosphere exists. Beyond plasma pause, again a magnetosphere exists, which came into existence due to electric fields in the solar flares and its winds. Solar flares, electric field of solar flares. तो आपने क्या देखा, 500 ऊपर में भी आपको मैग्नेटोस्फीयर है. प्लाज्मा स्फीयर आल्सो टू सम एक्सटेंट बिहेव इन अ मैग्नेटोस्फीयर. तो मैग्नेटोस्फीयर ही मेजर है. अंडरस्टूड इट? आफ्टर द व्हाट इज बियॉन्ड 1000 किलोमीटर इफ विल गो. सो व्हिच आर द लेयर्स वी हैव सीन? टेल मी, which are the layers we have seen? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere and ionosphere को तो इसी के अंदर दिखाया. Magnetosphere and then plasmasphere, and beyond plasmasphere another there is a magnetosphere. I said, and then there is an ionosphere which consists of what is D layer, E layer, E2 layer, F1 and F2 layer. D layer is very weak zone, that is in a 60 to 90. E layer 90 to 130 kilometer, and within this there is a sporadic E layer. It is also known as what? क्या बोलते हैं इसे? Canily-Heaviside layer, E layer. Thereafter I said 130 to 150 it is an E2 layer, and then 150 to 380 or little beyond it is known as what? F1 and F2 layer. Understood it? So now the next we are going to see the और आप लोग लिखते चलेंगे. I said whatever we are going to see the cloud formation, precipitation formation process. Clear? That the two theories are there: collision, coalescence. Collision, coalescence. Coalescence का मतलब जानते हैं ना, getting together. And then another I said that Bergeron process, Bergeron. Which process we have to see? Collision, coalescence. कोलिजन करना और साथ में गेट टुगेदर. तो जितने वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स आपस में कोलिजन होते चले जाएंगे, दे विल गेट कोलेस टुगेदर एंड इट विल बिकम बिगर एंड बिगर. यस, यस और नॉट? सो कोलिजन, कोलेसेस. एंड व्हाट इज द वेपर प्रेशर? व्हाट इज द वेपर प्रेशर? Above surface of water, ice crystal, the amount of vapor existing, it is known as what? Yes or not? तो वो जितना pressure देगा, that is known as what? Vapor pressure. Again, what is vapor pressure? Above the surface of water or ice crystal, something like this, the available, I say, water vapor is known as what? अब मेरे ख्याल से दूसरा आप लोग इजीली बता सकते हैं, सैचुरेशन वेपर प्रेशर, वेपर प्रेशर। व्हाट इज सैचुरेशन वेपर प्रेशर? तो सिंपली है कि द एटमॉस्फेरिक लेयर जहां पर वेपर हो वो क्या हो, अप टू द इट्स मैक्सिमम होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी, मीन्स दैट रीजन इज व्हाट, सैचुरेटेड बाय द वेपर प्रेशर, वेपर्स सैचुरेटेड बाय द, और वो जो वेपर प्रेशर देगा उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, सैचुरेशन वेपर प्रेशर। इफ द एयर इज नॉट सैचुरेटेड इट इज नोन एज व्हाट, वेपर प्रेशर। If the air is saturated, it is known as what? तो किस कंडीशन में there will be I said condensation, saturation, vapor pressure. So collision coalescence जो होगा, collision coalescence किसके लिए होगा, warm cloud, जहाँ पे water droplets, and Bergeron process किसके लिए बनता है, ice crystal cloud के लिए।